Oh my.
Holy.
Ooh. Yummy. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to put together engine. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We had overwhelming support on the last update video. So many suggestions. So we're gonna go disassemble this N52 engine. It's gonna be so fun.
Did we get any comments on the...
No, not one. Not one.
I need a shave.
First what we have to do is we have to go get some hardware to put the engine on the engine stand. So that's step number one. Step number one. Alright, I forgot to mention we don't have any tools, so we have to go back to my house already. Alright, we're back home. We're gonna get the tools. Alright, boys. All we need, we're gonna grab some fucking specialty sockets. We're gonna grab more DeWalt, trusty DeWalt, and then I think we're gonna grab these Johnnies. All right, should be it. I almost forgot the most important recipe for the engine teardown. Grab a few of these Johnnies.
Oh, it's gonna be one of those nights.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Oh no, it just takes 10 minutes to get up to speed. That's as fast as it goes?
Turn the fucking dial.
I did, it's on far, it's on, oh. Nice. Now all the asbestos particles can go airborne for us.
Yep. Alright, step one, we get the clutch off.
Oh, my mommy's coming. Oh my god. This does not fit. This is gonna strip out this. I always reuse clutch hardware, dude. That's an Allen. That is an Allen. But you said it wasn't an Allen?
I don't know anymore.
Whatever, fuck it. Is there a missing bolt that's in there still? Is there? Oh. Wiggle her off.
Oh, you cocksucker, I finally saw the fucking...
Is there another bolt in there?
I hate you.
Is there another bolt in there?
I hate you.
Is there one?
Get the fucking camera.
Oh yeah, there it is. I mean, I didn't leave it on purpose.
Oh, no, you didn't?
I didn't.
Asking me if there's another bolt in here?
I actually didn't. I genuinely was asking you a question. I didn't even. Dude, I'm sorry. I didn't even mean to.
Go drink another fucking tea.
Alright, get out of my way. Ideally, all we would have to do is just lift it up and have someone maneuver that to the thing.
Yeah, we're not in an ideal scenario.
But you're strong though, aren't you? You're a big boy.
Okay, we put it on sideways, right?
Yeah. We just lift up and then go back. Alright, everyone, this is how you put the N52 on.
Let's just do a test. Let's do a test, okay?
Oh, that's light. Oh, buddy.
Yeah.
That's actually light. Alright, okay. Ready?
Alright, hold on. 3, 2, 1.
Alright. Lift up, tilt up.
You're fucking bolt, dude. What are you... Turning the engine.
You have a small bolt right here? What is this?
It's a fucking stud, dude. It's a... Oh, shit. I told you it was a fucking
Okay, stop.
stud.
Okay, right there. That was easy. Dude, I almost lost this. I almost
You started to laugh, and I felt it slowly coming down. I was like, oh, I need to do something.
Really close up on my sweat first. It's all in my glasses. Can you see it good on the camera? Hey guys. Alright, so this is gonna be a two-part video, boys. First, we're gonna strip her down. She's already pretty stripped down, but we're gonna get like heat shielding, compressor, you know, coils, just random shit off till it's a bare long block. And then the next video is gonna be actually tearing the block, taking the head off, undoing the timing, rods, pistons, crank, all that stuff. But for now, it's just the basics.
To recap, this engine is shot.
Yeah, this is a blown up engine. I was told it skipped timing, probably some bent valves. Oh, and this is not how you do this. This is the only hardware we have right now. That's why the engine's at a tilt. But she works. Yeah. I don't know.
Oh my. Hold on. Yeah. Keep the light there. Hold on, it needs to focus.
Oh my god, it looks like my butthole. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is nasty.
That's not good.
Look at that's water in there.
Oh yeah.
Or coolant or whatever. Alright, what else
For
we got?
fuck's sake.
Look at that. Oh, you just touched my sweaty forehead. Look at this one. It's dried crust. I don't think it's supposed to look like that.
Holy shit.
I don't see any bentness. Let's check the other side. I'm just trying to see if they're bent or not. I don't really see.
Oh fuck. Garbage.
Oh wait, Yeah.
Zoom in.
Yeah, that's what those look like. Come on, fuck. That's tough, man. Dude, this one's hard, man. Okay. Alright. Who wants a set of OE, brand new, never used foils? Bang my line. Bang my line, bud. I mean, the valve cover is ready to come off at this point.
Could start there and then just pop the...
Yeah. Well, I just want to look at it.
Fuck is this? Water pumpicus? What is this?
What?
What is this cock?
It looks like the oil filter housing.
Oil filter? That does look like the oil filter housing. That's why I was asking the dumb question.
If anyone needs any parts off of this, hit me up. I'm a well-rated seller. Alright, we got all the valve cover bolts off. It's the moment of cock. It's a hard fucking mallet. I'm gonna crack this caucus. Is it gonna come off or not? Bro, are you serial?
Check it over one more time. Oh my. What? Figure it out.
Oh my god, dude, I told you.
Oh yeah, blame me.
I told you there was bolts in the middle that you didn't even look at. I told you, I said, Nick, I know the N52, man. There's bolts in the middle of the valve cover.
For fuck's sake.
I told you, I said, dude, the hidden bolt.
I can't read.
The hidden bolts in the valve cover. Yeah, just so you guys know, we've never disassembled. I've never even seen an N52 in person. I don't even know if this is an N52. It should be. I think I was told that it was an N52. But I'm not a clownicist when it comes to rebuilding engines. But I've just never seen one of these in person. Maybe I am a clownicist. I don't know. If anyone needs anything, dude, I gotta reiterate. I'm fucking broke. Dude, I can't. I bet you my forehead is so shiny right now.
The drop that was caught on camera was ridiculous.
It feels like I'm underwater right now. This engine is like really close to starting right up, I feel like. Does this crank her over? Alright, we got everything off.
Let's check it out.
Holy fuck! You see anything bent? We gotta take the head off. Pumpus. Holy shit, look at the size of this bolt. Oh my god. Dude, that is a Torx right there. Holy shnikes. That's bigger than my... You look like you're in a band and you're a drummer. Alright guys, we're taking off the AC compressor. Was that racist? Probably.
You get funky behind the camera.
Yeah, that's what they want. That's what you guys want, right?
Who told you that?
The YouTubers. Dude, all the people that commented.
All the people that commented in the last video, that's who told you.
Everyone who commented, thank you guys for the comments. We really appreciated it, and it's really going to help us make decisions from now on.
If you could go back and watch that video and actually make a suggestion, we'll follow through. As long as it's actually viable.
Yeah, no,
yes.
Literally one person.
One person.
Honestly, if one person watching this video, actually literally one person, goes back into the other video, the last video we made, and comments and says, okay, from the newer video, I got an idea for you guys, and we will literally do it. Anyway, here's the progress. We've seen it. This engine's boring. Why can't we get an N54 to tear apart? This thing is boring. Okay, anyways, updates on the M20, guys. Intake, sloppy toppy. No, that's for a different episode. That's for a different episode. All right. Oh, look at that. No. All right, guys, we just removed the last bolt of the 8. Oh, okay. Sweet. Nice. It's getting close to being a long block.
It's the end of this video. Two-parter. We'll dive in. We'll check it out. See what's actually wrong with it, and then hopefully somebody actually goes and watches the previous video and comments something, and we'll follow through with it.
Alright, yeah, after this video, guys, I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna finish this engine, and then we're gonna go on to this engine. 200 head, not good, no good. 885 is the good, Jonas. Ninkicus, Makicus, Wunkus, Flunkus.
You're gonna lose so many subscribers. What do we actually do?
I don't know. We're gonna figure something out, guys. Don't you guys worry. If you guys like this video, feel free. Oh my god, my thumb.
Okay.
My hitchhiker's thumb. If you guys like this video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe.
We're done for today. Second part, we're gonna dive in and see what the fuck is wrong with this thing. You focus or what?
I'm focused. It's focused.
After we figure out what's wrong, you're parting it out.
I think I know what's wrong with it.
Okay, after you figure out what's wrong with it.
Yeah, we're gonna dive into this Johnson Bonson, and we're gonna fucking look at the fucking... And... Alright, we're gonna dive into this Jamieson. We're gonna figure out what's wrong with this Johnson, and then we're gonna part it out. I'm gonna part it out, and then after that, we'll look at the M20, look at all the parts we got there. Leave a comment down underneath if you guys want us to rebuild the M20, like make this thing pretty and then put it in like a Camry or something, or just if you want me to part it out. But let me know.
We're very indecisive on what to do next content-wise, so we're open to any suggestions for everybody, literally everybody on the planet that did not watch the previous video. That was the whole objective, was that we wanted suggestions for what to do next.
Even people we know in real life.
Yeah.
Drop them down. Oh yeah, more content. When Tristan gets the super running, we're on it, boys. Don't even worry. I know you guys like that content. We're back on the super whenever he gets it running, and then we're gonna show you guys some Bernies and shit, you know? I'm starting to go cross-eyed.
Hopefully Tristan does have it done soon.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah. Alright, you got anything to say to the boys watching at home?
It's been rough.
Leave a like, boys.
It's been very rough.
Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, like the video, comment the video, subscribe the video, and let's fucking go, boys. We'll see you guys next week. Well, maybe not next week, maybe sooner than that, because it's gonna be a shorter episode, but it's gonna be good progress, good shit. See you guys later.